warmly welcome you to Addis Ababa, the political, economic, and capital city of Africa for the 2015 Executive Assembly of the World Energy Council and the World Energy Leaders Summit. The World Energy Leaders Summit are organized by the World Energy Council for the global energy leaders community to facilitate ongoing high-level dialogue on critical issues affecting the world's energy. These close community gatherings are held in the countries of interest to the global energy transition. The summit brings together ministers, the council patrons, and global partner CEOs, the council officials, and selected high-level guests who share their vision and help to ensure that the deliberations inform decisions while feeding into the council's wider processes. The WELS provide an important milestone and build on the World Energy Council's unique ability to convene this powerful energy leaders community to address more specific issues and challenges in a targeted regional context. More recently, at the World Energy Leaders Summit in Cartagena, Colombia, October 2014, in Manila, Philippines, June 2015, and Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, October 2015.
I would like to thank the World Energy Council Chair, Secretary General, and all its members. It is my great pleasure to invite you all to participate in the World Energy Summit.
Ethiopia has abundant renewable energy potential of hydropower, wind, geothermal, solar, and others. Some of the major projects are the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, 6,000 megawatts, Gilgel Gibe 3 Dam, 1,870 megawatts, Genale Dawa 3 Hydroelectric Power Plant, 254 megawatts, the Adama 2 Wind Power Project, 153 megawatts, Repe Waste to Energy Project, 50 megawatts. We wish you a jubilant and impressive time in Ethiopia while you stay in a place with various international and continental headquarters. Hospitable people with a charming smile and integrity, imaginative mosaic culture of nations and nationalities, international star hotels with delicious food and beverages, as well as modern and traditional music clubs and luxury recreational centers.